Assalamualaikum. My name is Suhaila Mahmoud Zahar from grade 7B Learn School and Academy. Today we will be identifying the average time of grade 7 students spend time on internet in a month. Suhaila Mahmoud Zahar time spent on the internet. Total school hours spent in a day is 4 hours a day. Total hours spent on the internet other than school 5 hours a day. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Total hours spent on a weekend is 36 hours a week. 9 times 7 is 37 hours a week. Total hours spent in a month 270 hours a month. 9 times 30 is equal to 270. Muhammad Saad time spent on the internet. Total school hours spent on the day is 4 hours a day. Total hours spent on the internet other than school is 6 hours spent in a day. Total hours spent on a week is 70 hours a week. Total spent hours in a month is 30 hours in a total month. Vastest time spent in an internet. Total school hours is 4 hours a day. Total hours spent on the internet other than school are 5 hours. Total week hours is 36 hours spent in a week. 270 hours spent in a month. Estimation 300 plus 270 plus 270 of total hours a month is equal to 840. If we divide 840 by 3, we get 280. Total hours of an average student spend in a month is 280 hours per month. Ratio studies 4 hours, entertainment 5 hours per day, which is equivalent to 68 hours of study and 140 hours of entertainment per month. Percentages is equal to 280 multiplied by 10, which is 28,000% on an average month. Each and every second is precious. Take care of your time. Thank you. Have a good day.